Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow your body to relax and settle into this moment. Feel the weight of your body against the surface you're resting on. With each breath, allow yourself to release any tension you may be holding onto. Now, gently place your hand over your heart. Feel the steady beat of your heart, the rhythm of life. This heart has been with you through every challenge, every triumph, every emotion. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this beautiful, resilient heart. Say to yourself, "Thank you for all you do." Now, think of something about yourself that you truly appreciate. It could be the way you show kindness to others, your ability to persevere, or even the simple fact that you show up for yourself every single day. Embrace the beauty of your being just as you are. Whisper these words in your mind. I am enough. I am worthy of love. I am grateful for who I am. Allow these words to settle deeply within your soul. Let go of any self-doubt or criticism. Know that you are deserving of every bit of love and happiness. Now, bring to mind something in your life that brings you joy. It could be a person, a memory, or even a simple moment of peace. Let that feeling of joy fill your heart and allow yourself to bask in it. As you do, take a moment to express gratitude for that joy. Say quietly to yourself, I am grateful for this moment, for this gift in my life. Feel the gratitude grow inside of you. Feel it expand with each breath, filling your entire being. You are surrounded by abundance, and you are a part of that abundance. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow any remaining tension to melt away with each breath. As you continue with your day, carry this feeling of self-love and gratitude within you. Remember, you are enough just as you are. You are worthy of love, kindness, and all the wonderful things that life has to offer. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and take this peaceful energy with you